everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for cultivating captivating outdoor spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you dreaming of a beautiful, low-maintenance garden that thrives in hot, dry climates? Do you want to save water and create a unique, modern landscape? If so, you've come to the right place. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of Xeriscape Cactus Gardens. In this video, we'll show you the meaning and benefits of a Xeriscape cactus garden, share top design tips to make your space a desert oasis, and reveal the best plants to use. And stick around because we've got 10 of the best Xeriscape garden ideas to inspire your next project. First, let's answer the big question. What is a Xeriscape cactus garden? Xeriscaping is a landscaping method designed to reduce or eliminate the need for irrigation. The term xeriscape combines the Greek word xeros, meaning dry, with landscape. A xeriscape cactus garden, therefore, is a beautiful and functional landscape that uses cacti and other drought-tolerant plants to create a visually appealing space that requires minimal water. It's a smart, sustainable, and stunning way to garden, especially in arid regions. Now, let's talk about the benefits of having a Xeriscape cactus garden. Beyond their striking beauty, Xeriscape gardens offer a host of practical advantages. The most significant benefit is water conservation. By using drought-tolerant plants, you can drastically reduce your water consumption, which is not only environmentally responsible, but also leads to lower utility bills. These gardens also require far less maintenance than traditional lawns or flower beds. You'll spend less time mowing, weeding, and watering and more time enjoying your beautiful outdoor space. Furthermore, Xeriscaping promotes a healthy ecosystem. By selecting native or adapted plants, you create a habitat for local wildlife and help maintain the ecological balance of your region. The diverse textures, shapes, and colors of cacti and succulents provide year-round interest, making your garden a masterpiece in every season. So, how do you decorate your Xeriscape cactus garden to look beautiful? The key to a stunning Xeriscape garden lies in thoughtful design and the use of complementary elements. Start with a solid foundation by using inorganic mulches like gravel, crushed rock, or decorative stones. These not only suppress weeds and retain moisture, but also provide a clean, modern aesthetic that highlights the plants. Create visual interest by varying plant heights, shapes, and colors. Group tall, columnar cacti with low-growing barrel cacti or sprawling succulents. Add pops of color with flowering varieties like prickly pears or agaves. Incorporate hardscaping elements like flagstone paths, large boulders, or even rustic wooden features to create a natural and inviting feel. Strategic lighting can also transform your garden at night, highlighting specific plants and creating a dramatic effect. Don't be afraid to add decorative pots or other accents to introduce more layers of texture and color. Wondering what are the best plants for a Xeriscape cactus garden? Here are some of our favorites. First, saguaro cactus, an iconic slow-growing giant that provides a majestic vertical element. Second, golden barrel cactus, a spherical spiny cactus that adds a pop of golden yellow and a charming round shape. Third, prickly pear cactus. Known for their flat pads and vibrant flowers, they come in many varieties and can be used as a ground cover or a larger shrub. Fourth, agave cactus. These architectural plants come in a variety of sizes and colors, from blue-gray to variegated greens, providing striking rosettes. Fifth, yucca cactus. With their spiky sword-like leaves, yuccas offer a dramatic desert spire look. Sixth, ocotillo cactus. A unique plant with long spiny stems that can burst into brilliant red flowers after rain. Seventh, palo verde tree. A small desert tree with a bright green trunk and delicate yellow flowers, providing shade and visual softness. Eighth, dudleya cactus. A genus of succulents known for their rosette forms and often chalky white coating, perfect for smaller spaces. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best Xeriscape cactus garden ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. The grand entrance. A grand and welcoming residential entrance is defined by a striking Xeriscape garden. A large circular brick driveway is framed by a diverse collection of mature saguaro cacti, agave, and various barrel cacti. The mix of textures from the gravel ground cover and the large, natural boulders creates a sense of scale and permanence. This design shows how a xeriscape can be both a beautiful and functional part of a home's curb appeal, making a powerful first impression. 2. The collector's front yard. This incredible residential landscape is a true testament to the passion of a cactus enthusiast. The front yard is transformed into a rich tapestry of textures and forms, with a dense collection of cacti and succulents in both the ground and large terracotta pots. The mix of large boulder accents, winding paths, and a prominent palm tree provides a multi-level visual feast, proving that even a suburban front yard can be a vibrant, water-wise masterpiece. 3. The minimalist walkway. This striking and elegant design features a minimalist approach to xeriscaping. A simple paved walkway is bordered by a clean row of tall, thin cacti, creating a dramatic vertical line that draws the eye down the path. Large terracotta pots with grassy plants add a touch of softness and traditional charm. This design is a great example of how to use a few key plant varieties to create a powerful and modern statement. 4. The Mediterranean Cactus Garden. This beautiful image blends the lushness of a Mediterranean climate with the resilience of a xeriscape garden. A large, mature saguaro stands tall alongside an impressive collection of other cacti and succulents, all set against a backdrop of rolling hills and distant fields. The combination of a tiled patio, a small pool, and a variety of textures from the plants and surrounding walls creates a serene and picturesque outdoor living space. 5. Serene Greenhouse Oasis. This enclosed garden showcases the beauty of a classic xeriscape design, featuring a variety of cacti and succulents arranged artfully in a bed of loose gravel. Large, smooth river stones are strategically placed to create visual anchors and break up the texture of the smaller rocks. The varying heights of the columnar cacti and the low-growing agave create a dynamic, layered landscape, demonstrating how a simple, contained space can become a stunning botanical display. 6. Sun-drenched courtyard retreat. This vibrant and inviting front yard captures the essence of a warm desert home. A large saguaro stands guard, while a variety of smaller cacti and flowering plants burst with color. The use of light-colored gravel and a winding brick pathway creates a bright and airy feel, while a mix of different plant shapes, from the tall columnar saguaro to the delicate ocotillo, adds endless visual interest. This design is a perfect example of blending native plants with traditional architecture for a cohesive look. 7. Modern desert living. This stunning design combines modern architecture with a bold xeriscape landscape. The contrasting textures of the stacked stone walls and the smooth ground cover are beautifully complemented by the varied forms of the cacti. Dramatic uplighting from below highlights the sculptural nature of the plants, making them the focal point of the space. The arrangement of spiky agaves, rounded barrel cacti, and a unique euphorbia creates a dynamic and sophisticated atmosphere. 8. Enchanted Desert Path. This image captures the magical transformation of a desert landscape at dusk. The winding stone path is softly lit, guiding the eye through a beautifully cultivated space. The creative use of string lights wrapped around the trees and nestled among the cacti highlights the unique shapes and forms of the plants, turning the garden into a breathtaking, almost ethereal nighttime retreat. It's a perfect example of how lighting can elevate a xeriscape design. 9. The rustic Spanish patio. This charming patio space shows how xeriscape principles can be applied to create a cozy and colorful retreat. Large, potted barrel cacti and succulents add a vibrant splash of yellow, red, and green against the rustic terracotta-colored walls. The mix of different plant types, from the tall columnar cacti to the smaller potted agaves, creates a lush, layered look. This design is a great example of how to use pots to bring a desert garden feel to a small or enclosed area. 10. The vibrant desert landscape. This wide-open garden is a burst of color and life, proving that xeriscaping is anything but drab. The scene is dominated by a variety of agaves and yuccas, set against a backdrop of vibrant pink bougainvillea and tall palm trees. The mix of fine gravel and larger accent boulders creates a clean, intentional design. This garden perfectly balances the bold, sculptural forms of the plants with the delicate, bright flowers, creating a truly spectacular landscape. And there you have it, 10 amazing examples of Xeriscape cactus gardens that prove you don't have to sacrifice beauty for sustainability. Whether you're in a desert climate or simply want a more eco-friendly and low-maintenance garden, a Xeriscape cactus garden is a fantastic choice. By embracing the unique beauty of these drought-tolerant plants and a few key design principles, you can create a landscape that is both stunning to look at and kind to the planet. If you found these ideas inspiring, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more incredible garden tips and ideas. And let us know in the comments below which of these gardens was your favorite. We love hearing from you. Happy gardening!